Hello everybody, I am happy to be back. It's the beginning of the week and it is time for our first maths meeting. So, I love maths. We all love maths. And let's see what day it is today. I wonder if you've thought about this. The weekend's just finished. So today is, I'm listening, I'm waiting. It's the name of the week that begins with You got it? It's Monday, and we're going to look at our wheel just to check. Straight ahead. Today is Monday. Yesterday, in the orange section, it says it was Sunday, and that's right. Sunday when we don't come to school or do our home learning. And tomorrow, in the green section, is going to be Tuesday. So we had Sunday, today's Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday. Right. Our numeral of the day is 2 digits. Here it comes. Do you know what it is? Can you tell you're grown up? Did you say it was 19? Excellent. This is the numeral 19. That means if you had a plate with biscuits on and there were 19 biscuits and you needed to write that down, you'd write it like that, a 1 and a 9. But as we know, the 1 means 110, and there is our numicon 10. And the 9 means you've got 9 ones as well as that 110. So you've got a 10 and a 9 together, 19. Let's look at it again. 19, the 1 means a 10, and the 9 is standing in for 9 ones, and there they all are. Can you see? Okay, so our next slide is going to be shape of the day, and our shape of the day is not a 2D shape, it's a 3D shape, and it's called I hope you might know this by now, it's called a cube. Let's think about what makes a cube a cube. Well, a cube has to have square faces, and it has 6 of them. If you could turn that cube around, you'd be able to count 6 square faces. It also has edges, and quite a lot of them. Not 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11, but 12 edges. It also has the vertices, which we now know are the points where the straight edges meet. And our vertices are there, and all the other corners, and there are 8 of them on a cube. Okay, so cubes. What do we see when we see a cube in real life? We see dice. We might see a Rubik's cube. Actually, there it is in the name. Sugar cubes. Can you see those square faces and those edges and those corners? A box of tissues can be a cube. We use Unifix cubes all the time at school. There they are. They're very good cubes for stacking. If you want to make a tower, a cube is a good thing to use. And the last picture, oh, this is fun. This is a toy which I used to have when I was little. And it's called a jack-in-the-box. And it was a cube. And if you pushed a button, bing, out would jump the jack. The lid would flip up and he'd bounce up and everyone would go, like that. So that is a jack-in-the-box, and as you can see, it's a cube. Right, now, summarising. Did you see how many green dots there were? I'll show you again. Are you showing me that many fingers? Because there were 7 green dots today. On our next slide, 10 frame and another 10 frames. So we've got 20 empty squares up there at the moment. Let's fill them. Here come our purple dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the first 10 frame full up. 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 purple dots. You could show me with 10 fingers and 3 fingers, because 10 and 3 together make 13, as we know. Now, got a yellow dot. Can you think about which square that yellow dot is in? Is it in the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth? Did you say it's in the 8th square? Because if you did, you're absolutely right. It was in the 8th square today. Now we've got find the pattern. Okay, no odd one out today. We're finding the pattern. So I'm going to show you the pictures as they come up. You're going to try and work out what you think the next one will be. And then at the end, we will decide if it's an AB pattern, an AAB, an ABC. We'll see. Here we go. And you can also be thinking about what these pictures are all about. Let's start. Up comes picture number 1, and it's a sun. Wonder what's going to come next. Could be another sun, could be a moon, could be a cloud full of rain. Oh, it's a watering can. So sun, watering can. Well, now I'm thinking sunshine and rain, or sunshine and water. Ah, sunshine, watering can, soil in a pot. I wonder if we're going to go back to the sun now. Let's have a look. No, we've got what happens if you put a bulb in some soil, give it some water, give it some sunshine, it grows into a beautiful plant. I think this is a hyacinth. Okay, sunshine, watering can, soil, plant. So we haven't got a pattern yet, have we? Ah, okay, we've got the sun again. So what do you think is going to come next? Watering can? Yeah, I reckon. You were right. So next is probably going to be pot with soil. Yes. Finally, the hyacinth plant. Yes. If I click again, what do you think we will see? Do you think it's going to be a puppy? Do you think it's going to be a garden? You think it's going to be the sun? You're right, it's the sun. Because this pattern we can now work out in terms of whether it's an A, B, C, D, E, F pattern. Let's think. Sun A, watering can B, soil in the pot C, plant D. Okay, I think it's a 4-way pattern. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A. Were you right? A, B, C, D pattern. That is the repeat of the pattern. I'll be back tomorrow with another maths meeting and another pattern. Have a good day, and I will see you then. Bye for now.